Are you looking forward to unfollow someone on TikTok? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can unfollow someone on TikTok. First thing first, move into TikTok app. Make sure you are logged in. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, head over to following at the very top. It will show you all the people that you follow. If you want to unfollow them, then all you gotta do is scroll down and move into the profile of that person. Once you're inside the profile, click on this icon and tap on unfollow at the bottom of the screen. Once again, click on unfollow. And there you go, you have unfollowed this person. Likewise, you can unfollow any person you want to and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.